Hello guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to scan QR code on Android from Gallery. The process will only take a few minutes. It is going to be quick and easy. But before we go on with the video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be updated with our future content. Now, let us continue with the video. It is very easy to scan a QR code from your gallery. All you have to do is take a screenshot of the QR code, download it, or take a picture. Once you have taken a screenshot, downloaded, or taken a picture of the code, it should be saved in your gallery. So let us go ahead and open the gallery. As we can see, there is the code that we just saved. Now, the next step is crucial. To read this QR code, you have to download Google Lens. If you already have Google Lens, then we are good to go. If you don't, then go ahead and download it from Play Store. I already have Google Lens installed in my phone. So what we want to do next is open the photo or the QR code that we just saved. And the next step is to tap these three dots on the bottom right corner of the screen or beside the trash icon. Then some options will appear. I want you to tap Google Lens. Once you have tapped Google Lens, congratulations! You have successfully scanned the QR code. All you have to do is go to wherever the QR code leads you. You can just copy the URL, share it, or open it directly on your website. And that is how to scan a QR code from your gallery. If you found this video helpful, then please share it and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.